Welcome once again. You're watching English with Akram, and we have debate once again. And topic of the debate is that should AI tools or robots replace human teachers in schools or not? So, without any further delay, we should start, and you stop there. So, uh, both the teams are ready, and everyone has come. So, we must start now. So, first, I would like to call from this team. Sani is coming, and from there, Bashir is coming.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bashir, and today we are doing debate here on an amazing topic that is about robot teacher versus human teacher. Which teachers are better for a student? I believe that human teachers are far better than robot teachers because I have several reasons behind it. As my first reason is about the disadvantage of robot teacher. I would like to make you count the disadvantages of robot teacher. First, technical issue. If suppose you are taking class at the time there is power cut, so how will you study? Because our robot teacher cannot work without electricity, and robot teacher need a lot of volt electricity. And second thing, it cannot work without internet. If there is power cut, so how internet will work? And secondly, it is very costly, approximate more than 80 lakh rupees it takes to build a robot teacher. And my third disadvantage is no emotion. Suppose you are suffering from fever, so at that time how your teacher will understand your problem? Because that is robot, they have no emotion, but a human teacher can understand your problems. And yes, that's all.
So, hello everyone. So, today we are doing debate here on a very amazing topic which is about teachers, human teachers or robotic teachers. Well, in my opinion, robotic teachers are far better than human teachers. Why? Because there are so many reasons behind it. So, let's talk about it. But firstly, I want to ask just a simple question to my opponent. Then when our country will develop, definitely our education system will be good. In at that moment, our country will be developed. But until when human teacher will teach us, our country can't be developed. Why? Because so my first argument is data analysis. We know very well our robot teacher or our robotic teacher can give answer very quickly, and they can analysis the data in just a seconds. But if I talk about the human teacher, so the human teacher can't give answer in just a seconds, and they can't analysis the data in just a seconds. And this is a very big huge difference between the robotic teacher and human teachers. That's all about it.
Okay, sister, you are talking that this is India, and how India will develop if we don't use robot teachers. So, sister, I would like to tell you that America, Finland, these countries literacy rate is more than 90%. Means Finland have 100% literacy rate. Even in the Finland,
Why
there
are
are
you
human
going
teachers.
Finland or other
Sister, I am
countries?
telling you, those are developed country. We can see those are very developed country more than India. There is still human teachers are teaching. There is no robot teacher. On the basis of this thing, you are saying that if we use robot teachers, so our India will develop. And I would like to give you answer. You were saying that quick answer. Our robot teacher can analyze our question in a jiffy. So sister, listen. You know, a robot teacher can give us answer in two ways, like in basic or in standard, we can say. Because in standard, when you will search anything on chat gpt and meta ai, so they will tell you in hard language. First time you will not understand. So this is same thing with robot teacher. The thing which our robot teacher tell us, that is means that there are only few students who understand in one time, otherwise you have to ask again. And a human teacher can analyze our problem and
Let me
can
speak.
let me do just one thing, can understand our doubt and can give us answer.
So as you are talking about the other countries' literacy rate,
Yes.
so I would say one thing. Do you know about Kerala? Do you know about the literacy rate of Kerala? You know, Kerala comes number one in term of education, and 96.2% the literacy rate of Kerala. Why? Because in Kerala, robotic teacher teaches to the student. That's why Kerala comes number one in terms of education in India in compare of other state of India. And as you are
sister.
talking about emotions,
Listen.
robotic teachers has lack of emotion. So, as I know about robotic teachers, so there is a robot which named Kismat. He has or she has, I don't know what's the gender of that robot, but she has emotions. Means she can understand the emotions of the humans. That's all.
You are giving me the example of Kerala. So, sister, I would like to tell you that if they have money, that's why they are using this. And first of all, tell me that in how many schools they are the principal and the school manager they are using robot teacher. Tell in how many schools?
All schools in Kerala.
No, sister, it is not possible in all school. In all school, how it is possible? Because first thing that it is very costly. We cannot afford it. What is the price of a robot? Tell.
Maximum. I don't know.
More than 80 lakh. Means I am telling you.
So, in starting, I forgot to mention about this pack. Last time I mentioned. So, that who is winner of it? So, first I will announce it. I bought one, but I will give three because the winners are three. The first one is Miss Sabha. First means actually you are first today, and then second is Fabiha, and third is Miss who would be. Third is Miss Zoya. Shocked. Now listen numbers. So Sania got 7.5, and Bashir got 8, and Zoya got 9 out of 10. Rukaya got 8. Rukaya made many mistakes while speaking. Errors she made. Naz got 6.5. Khalid also got 6.5. Shabnam got 7.5, and Rimsha got 9. Amreen got 6.5. Khalid again got 6.5. And Khalid is a kind of compliment for you because these people against whom you spoke, they have been learning for years, especially Amreen Api. But you matched them. Afsha got 9. Safia got 9.5. You were asking me mistakes. You spoke good, your points were good, but there is fluency. Okay. ये लास्ट वाला टर्न था ना, ऐसा मांगता मेरे को. और जो इधर बाजी खड़ी थी ना, ठीक है, इधर भी खतरनाक था, लेकिन इधर वाली के जो पॉइंट्स थे और जो एक्सप्रेशंस, जो कॉन्फिडेंस आया चेहरे पे आज, ओहो क्या ही कहने, वैसा ही चाहिए हमको. एंड देन केम Amreen Maji got 8. Ilma got 7.5, and Fabia got, actually she got 10 out of 10, but I would say that 13 on 10. And to Sabha, I would say that she also got 10 out of 10, but I would say that 15 on 10. Okay, so I would like to announce which team is winner. Real. So, who's the captain of this team? So, Fabia's team scored 73. We've done it. And